everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing this quick tutorial on how you can turn your skirt to a body skirt set. Like, I love this transformation so much, and this is so perfect for summer right now. Like, I just can't wait to rock it out. So first of all, what you just need to do, just get a skirt that you love the fitting. This is actually stretchy material, so the tutorial is simple. That's why I love working with stretchy material. So all you need to do, just give extra half an inch for sewing allowance. You don't really need to do much because it stretches. Even though you even cut it exactly the same, it will still fit perfectly. But just give an extra half an inch on all sides. So now this is it. After tracing out, then the next step is just to sew down on both sides. See, the shape is already there, the shape of the hip and all that. So this is a beginner friendly video. So this is it. The skirt is ready, the shape is out, everything is perfect. I didn't even bother to empty it down because it's okay like this. So next I'm going to trace out a top that I like on this other down part of the skirts and leave half an inch like the very first time. So this is it. Next, because I want the depth of the front of this top to be lower than the back, so I'm separating it before cutting the neck area. So I'm making the front part a bit deeper than the back part. So that's what I'm doing here. So easy to follow. So if today is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below for more fashion DIY videos, tricks and more. Just do that right now before you forget. So next I'm just going to turn it inside out and then sew both sides and then the shoulder half an inch because it's a perfect trace. So this is it afterward. Now I'm going to work on the sleeve. The trick to doing this is just you arranging your sleeve hole and then tracing it. When you are tracing it down, trace it 2 inch downward more than the hole. That way you can have a bit of puff at the top if you want. So this trick works all the time. You don't even need measurements. Just do it like this. Trust me, it works. So I just discovered it anyway. So now I'm using it to cut the other part of the sleeve. So this is it. Next I'm just going to sew the side down, and this is it. After sewing the side down, now another trick of doing this, I've taught this so much on different kind of my videos. If you go through my channel, you see a lot of stuff like this, but let me just go through it again. Just put it inside out, see, just like this. Put it exact, just watch the way I'm doing it. Just place it inside out like this, inside like this, and then you sew it round to that side. Then you go and start from this other side in case there's excess, so you use the excess to do some kind of puff at the top. So this is it. It's so easy. You see, when there's excess you match it. So this is it. It's ready. Let's look at it. See, it's simple. So it practice makes perfect. You can keep like doing it until you get it, but it's easy the way I just said. Start from the down to the top on both sides. So this is it. Now I'm going to cut the band for the sleeves, the long sleeve. So this is the excess material I'm using. So everything just fits in perfectly. I'm just going to shape it. So the trick to doing this, just gather the net and so that it will fit in to this, because this is stretchy, so it's going to go through your hand, your wrist. So this is it. It's ready. Simple as that. Next, I decided to add the strap to it, to the top. So I'm just cutting this excess to make strap. So this is it. Yeah, easy. So I'll just slant it like this on the top part. You can put it a bit further from the middle or closer, anyhow you want it. So this is it. So this is the body set is ready, and if you have any kind of tube skirt, this is a fun way to upcycle them. And please give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends, I'm sure they will love it, and then subscribe down below if you haven't yet. If you have any kind of suggestion, leave it down on my comment down below. I would like to hear from you, or any kind of future tutorials you would like to see here on my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.